Good morning, guys. This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and we will be glad in it. We're here again today to do another breakfast, and this time it's gonna be avocado toast, spinach. It's gonna be the old works. Okay, eggs, everything. I'm gonna try to make it as quickly as possible and as natural as possible. Today is one of my low days where I just want to be in bed. It's a holiday, of course, and so I am not looking to be cooking. I am looking to be resting and not cooking, but I have to do a quick breakfast as usual. You know, I love my Pure Life tea. Here you go. We're gonna drink to good health. Um, just a little this morning. Drink to good health, guys. We are drinking Pure Life tea to good health. Alrighty. So we're gonna begin. Now, we're gonna need eggs, which I've already broken. 2. We're gonna need some chopped onions, scallions, garlic, which I've already done right here. And so here we go, that's out of the way. We're gonna need some pepper, oil, olive oil, and we're gonna need some tomatoes. We're gonna need avocado, and just gonna go over here to show you the rest of the ingredients I'll show as we go, but we're gonna start our eggs. So I'm gonna need salt. You know, I love the pink salt. And we're gonna need some pepper, black pepper. So we're gonna begin. The stove is going, and my pot is, or skillet is preheated. So let's begin. We're gonna move to the stove, and so here we go. We're at the stove, and here's my skillet. Let's go. So this is really, really warm. You gotta be careful. So I'm just gonna put that there a little bit. I'm gonna pour in my oil. We're going to put in egg number 1. And as usual, I'm going to cover this. And we're going to turn down the stove, okay? Egg number 1. Egg number 2. And my stove is all the way down. center, and we are cutting the spinach, which is right here. I've already pre-cut, so I'm just gonna finish up this spinach, and I just like cut them in big chunky cuts, and that's gonna be on the stove for only 2 minutes or less. And we're gonna put the garlic. So we're gonna put this in right now. We're gonna take that to the stove also. So it's the garlic and the pepper. Those are going to the stove. Now we're gonna start the tomato. Next, we should go back to the stove for the spinach, okay? So we're back at the stove. I'm just gonna pour in the spinach. We're gonna put in the garlic. We're gonna put in the pepper. That's done. So 2 things are in already. I'm using healthy grain. No preservative, no artificial coloring, good source of fiber, and it's just whole grain bread. That's what I'm using. And here we go. 2 slices. So just gonna let those toast since the pot is already warm. And we are gonna go back to the stove. I've already washed the tomato, so I'm going to cut them. Cut it. So our tomato is ready. So this is the egg and the spinach. I'm just going to pour on the tomato. And the tomato is ready. Okay. Now we're going to cut the celery and the avocado to complete this dish. I'm going to use the fresh celery. I've already washed it. I intend to plant some. Let it grow. I'm going to cut this very, very small. Just be careful this way to cut. Never this way. celery. We're gonna do the avocado now. Very pretty. So our avocado is on. And this is a toast. Toast is ready. So we're going to put our toast there. We're going to cut them. Alright, so the toast is here. We're just about ready to cut our toast. Can you see? Can you see? Now this is our fresh celery. We're just going to put a little pepper over. There we go. We're gonna put some pepper. I'm gonna put a little salt, my pink salt. And breakfast is served. Breakfast is served, guys. We're gonna have this with, just put a little mint right there. We're gonna have this with, let me clean up a little bit here. Clean up my cutting board. Alright, so breakfast is served. We're gonna have some grapes. Fix my camera so you can see. We're gonna have grapes this morning. We're gonna have good full yogurt. And we're gonna have some tea. This tea, guys, let me tell you about this tea. It is so fine. Can you see it? Focus, focus. You guys probably won't be able to see it because the camera just won't focus. It's a great tea. It is so fine. It is so fine. That's what we're going to be having this morning with my delicious breakfast. And did I tell you guys about my cup from Europe? I'm going to show you my Europe cup. Okay, this is my super cup from Europe. It is a Dutch cup, and I got my favorite. You can tell it's Dutch, right? And I'm gonna be having tea, and I love to use honey. So that's what we're gonna be using this morning. And as usual, cheers to good health. You know how I love my Pure Life tea. So cheers to good health, guys. So breakfast is served. We're gonna be having breakfast. Welcome, join me again for cooking with Meg and Mine. This is so good. So again, fresh toast, fresh tomato, steamed. This is so good. My mouth is full of that. Avocado. So good, guys. Bye-bye. See you again soon. I'm off to do breakfast.